Sounds of frogs. All day I think of Basho's haiku, the one with ancient pond frog plunging into the sound of water. During morning I whisper it softly at the small bonsai, hear its words ripple my thoughts while mindfully breathing. I say it aloud in the shower, its meaning clear and alive in the sound of water. In the afternoon I loaf on the balcony and sky gaze, this endless blue the ancient pond, each cloud a floating lily, frogless, ears aware of the sound of everything. During class I discover my hand tracing the straights and curves of its letters, the sound of pen on paper. At night in the dark quiet before I fall asleep, this ego the ancient stillness of pond, brief dreams of being an ancient fish, hearing the splash from underneath, darting around incoming plunging Buddha frog until the sound of dream reminds me I'm asleep.